Most pool robots today are built around one idea, which is one machine that does everything: the floor, the walls, the water line, and the surface. But is one robot doing everything really the smartest approach, or does it make sense to split the workload? Now that's exactly what makes the Aiper Experts Duo an interesting idea, that instead of one machine switching roles, you get two specialists working together. Now this is how the Duo actually works. You get the Scuba V3 that handles the deep cleaning, such as the floor, the walls, the water line, and then the Eco Surfer that stays on constant surface patrol. So instead of one robot rotating between tasks, you have a continuous coverage happening at the exact same time, and that changes how the pool maintenance feels day to day, because the surface debris doesn't wait for a cleaning cycle, leaves fall constantly, dust settles constantly, and now one unit is always going to be skimming and the other one is handling the heavy work below. Let's go ahead and start with the 24/7 Carefree, because the Eco Surfer runs a solar seeker technology, meaning that it operates with solar support and even seeks the sunlight automatically when the battery runs low, and is designed for ongoing surface cleaning and not occasional passes. Meanwhile, the Scuba V3 uses the AI Navigation mode and automatically generating weekly cleaning plans based on your pool size, cleaning history, and even weather patterns. So instead of manually scheduling cleanings, the system manages itself, and that is a big difference because it doesn't just clean, it maintains. Next, we got the expert level cleaning, and it's smarter and not random cleaning, because the Scuba V3 uses the AI Patrol Cleaning, which identifies the visible debris in real time and then adjusts its route instantly, and is not moving randomly. It targets the debris first, and all that visual processing stays on the device with the TÜV certified data privacy protection and no image storage and no uploading. Now the navigation combines the AI vision and DTOF sensors through the vision path, and which helps avoid repeated passes and unnecessary movements. And for the water line, the Jet Assist horizontal cleaning keeps that top edge scrubbed without the manual brushing, and together with the Eco Surfer S2 handling the surface, you get the full floor, the walls, the water line, the surface, which in total is a 360-degree coverage. Now, when it comes to the filtration and the water quality, the Scuba V3 uses the micro mesh filtration, which is a 180 micron filter combined with a 3 micron ultrafine layer. That means that it captures sand, fine dirt, algae, tiny particles, and the Eco Surfer S2 includes the debris guard, which is a leak-proof baffle system that prevents debris from escaping back into the pool, and it also features the adjustable chlorine tablet chamber that helps support the ongoing water quality maintenance. So this isn't just about visible leaves, it's about clarity. Now here is where I'm going to give you some reasons why two can be better than one, and of course this is subjective and it's up to you to choose whichever is more convenient for you, because the interesting part about this is the splitting of the workloads, because when you have one machine, it tries to handle everything and is constantly switching modes, charging depth, changing power profiles, and it just takes time. But with the Duo, each unit focuses on its specialty, and that reduces the strain. It supports longer-term durability, and both are engineered for extended outdoor exposure. It's built to handle the sun, the water, and daily operation, and add the solar recharging, long battery life, and app alerts, and you're looking at a continuous cleaning without constant intervention. Now, one thing to note is that this is cheaper than the BeatBot Sora 70, and you get two experts working together, and it's way faster, and the pool was cleaned perfectly with no missing spot. And now it's time to wait for the summer to start enjoying the pool. So overall, here's what actually changes. You don't check on the surface every morning, you don't schedule the deep cleaning days, you don't rescue the robot because it ran out of battery halfway through, you drop them in and they handle the ecosystem together. The surface debris is managed in real time, the deep cleaning happens on schedule, and it just feels less like managing a tool and more like owning a complete system. So back to the original question, is one robot doing everything the smartest approach, or does splitting the workload make more sense? And I think after testing the Aiper Experts Duo, I would say that if you want an active maintenance instead of reactive cleaning, I think the Duo makes a strong case. 24/7 surface care, AI planned deep cleaning, full 360-degree coverage, smarter navigation, and less intervention. So it's not about having two robots, it's about having the right system. So if you are interested in learning more about the Aiper products and the Aiper Experts tool, go ahead and check out the link down in the description below and let me know in the comments, would you rather have the all-in-one unit or upgrade and get the dual system? Let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for watching, like, subscribe, and I will see you back in another video.